All right, I am going to teach you how to set up a board on Trello. It's very, very easy, and I plan on using this for my science fair projects with my seventh graders. My plan is to have each one of them have their own board that only I have access to, as well as them. So over here, I labeled it science fair. Here, we can add a list, whatever they want, maybe some of their ideas. Let's say one is buoyancy. Okay. Maybe another one is looking at the physical properties of pop. Okay. Oops. All right. So, and whatever their ideas are, they can put it up there. I'm going to go back here to buoyancy. Okay. So if we're looking at buoyancy, solids. So add maybe liquids, then gases. Right? Maybe they're going to look at all three. Maybe they only want to do one. Back here, they can go and they can edit the labels. So I'm going to choose green for my solids. Oops. We'll get to that in a second. Yellow for my liquids. And then blue for my gases. So now every time something comes up for a solid, it'll be in green, liquids, yellow, gases, blue, and so on. All right, so then we could go and give a description. So let's do solids. All right, so description of a solid, anything that the kids want to tell me, they can save, and then I can write a comment on it, whether I agree with it, don't agree with it. Also over here, there's a checklist that, that they, maybe I want their idea, okay, their idea for their project. All right, so I would add that. And then I can also put a due date on it. So let's say I'm going to have that on December 10th. Okay, and save that. And so that comes up here. And so then whenever they're done with the idea for the project, I can go in, and then I can add another item. I want to know the experiment. Okay, again, then I can go back in there when they're finished with that and check it off. Over here also, a lot of times what my kids do is they forget where they got the information from. So they can paste, and because they do have to have their sources. Also, this is a really good idea or a good way of, if they have more than one idea for an experiment, they can put how many ever they want on here. I can look at it, see if it's something that's reasonable for them to do. And then we can look at that and I can comment also. So this is just one, okay, edit and copy. And then back to, okay, so I have I'm gonna attach it, all right, and then I can comment on it. If I don't think it's a good thing for them to do, I can remove it, anything like that. All right, so and then again, also if this is something that they do use, they can go back and they can use it for their source paper. All right, so I'm gonna just, again, here's where the members, so I would obviously be on it, and then whoever the student that is going to be doing this particular project would also. I think it's a pretty easy way for them to keep track of what they're doing, and most of the students are extremely know their way around a computer very well. So I think this would be a great way of making sure that they are keeping on task and getting everything in. This is going to be the first year I use it, so hopefully it will work out.